Good day everyone. I hope you are doing well wherever you are watching this video from. Okay, so here with me I've got a question that came in 2022 mathematics paper 1, that is for external candidates, and this is question 20. Okay, so I want us to answer this question. We are going to start with question A. Okay, going to start with question A. Question A reads, point A and B have coordinates 2, -3 and 7, 9 respectively. Find the length AB. Okay, they want you to find the length AB. So this is a straight line. Okay, so in a straight line you have points that are lying there, which are point A and B. Okay, so they want you to find the distance from point A to B. They want you to find the length from point A to what? To B. So let's take note of the coordinates that we are given. They have said we have the first coordinate A there, which is having 2, -3. Okay, then we have the second coordinates for B, which are 7, 9. These are the coordinates. So in order for you to be able to find the length of AB, there is need for you to come up with a formula, okay, where you say the distance of AB, or the length of AB, I'll just write AB is equal to, so this is the formula where you say x2 minus x1, you close bracket, then you square this, plus y2 minus y1, you close the bracket, then you square it. So this is the formula. Okay, so on this formula now, what we are going to do is this. Remember, we have our coordinate. We have this coordinate right here and this one. So we are going to rename our coordinates. So for the coordinates of A, we have 2 coordinates. So this is our x1, then this is our y1. For the coordinates of B, we have 2 coordinates. So this is our x2 and this is our y2. Alright, so let's just take these coordinates and replace them. We put them there in the formula, okay? So we are going to write the root of, so our x2 is a what? A 7, as you can see there, minus our x1 is a 2. Then we square, plus, then what is our y2? Our y2 is a 9 there, as you can see, minus, what is our y1? Our y1 is a positive number, sorry, it's a negative number, which is a -3. So when we write it in brackets -3, remember it's having a negative, and inside here you have a negative as well. So this negative you multiply with this negative and you get a positive what? 3. Then we square it. So from there we're going to do this, where you say 7 minus 2, okay, you get a 5, which is squared, plus 9 plus 3, we get a 12, which is squared. All right, so from here we're having something like this. 5 squared is a 25, meaning 5 times 5, you get 25, plus 12 squared. 12 squared, you're going to get 144. Okay, so I'll create space here. So remember, we have this, we have 25 plus 144. That's where we are. So what is the length of this AB? Let's just add 144 plus 25, or 25 plus 144. We're going to get 169. So therefore, the length of AB is equal to, so here, what is the square root of 169? The square root of 169 is what? 13. Okay, then you even put units. So the length of line AB is 13 what? Units. The length of line AB is 13 units. Now we are going to go to question B. We're going to answer question B now. Okay, so we have now come to question B. So I'll write the question, which is given that y is equal to 4x to the power 3. Okay, this is the first term, that's why I'm underlining it, minus 3x squared. This is your second term, plus 5x. This is your third term. Now they're saying find dy dx. Okay, find dy dx. So to find dy dx, they are simply asking you to differentiate y with respect to what? To x. Okay, they want you to differentiate y with respect to x. So we are going to start. You say dy dx is equal to, so the principle of differentiating is that you look at the power of x. In this case, the power of x is a 3 and the coefficient of x is a 4. So you are going to multiply 3 times 4, you get a what? A 12x. Now this 3 is going to be reduced by a 1. That is the principle there. Okay, so 3 minus 1, meaning this x is going to remain with a power of 2. I hope it's clear there. Minus, even on the second one, the second term, we do the same. The power of x is a 2, the quotient of x is a 3, so 2 times 3, we will get a what? A 6. Then we remain with the x. Now remember what we did on the first term there. So this x, which is having a power of 2, is going to be reduced by 1. The power 2 will be reduced by 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1, you get a 1. So you just write x. You are not going to put 1 on top of it, but you understand that this x is having the power of 1. Plus here where you have 5x, it means this x is having a power of 1. Okay, so the power of x, which is a 1, times 5, you get a 5. Okay, now this x, which is the variable to 5, it's having a 1 there, meaning it's going to be reduced by 1. You get something like this, x to the power 0, and the x to the power 0, you get a 1. Okay, meaning here you remain with a 1. 1 times 5, you just get 5. So this is the answer. It means you have differentiated the function y is equal to 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x. Okay, so as you can see, we have gotten our 2 marks. Thank you so much everyone for having time to view this content. Bye bye.